Hi, I'm Mark Moritz with Human Touch, and I'd like to introduce you to a new massage chair called the Super Novo 2.0. The Super Novo 2.0 comes with 38 auto wellness programs, including full body immersion, recovery, and stretch. It also has several 4D programs, and what the 4D programs provide, 2D, which works the massage mechanism horizontally and vertically. You are also getting 3D, which adds depth, and then with the 4D, you're getting variable speed, where the rollers can speed up and slow down. The Super Novo 2.0 comes with S and L tracks, which are fixed tracks on the massage chair. And the L track is what comes down your back and curves under the glutes and gets some of the lower part of the back. Most chairs just go up and down your spine. The S track is what also follows the curvature of your spine and uniqueness to your own body shape more closely. The Super Novo 2.0 has a new advanced massage mechanism called IntelliTrack. What the IntelliTrack does is it takes the S-track portion to a whole new level where it follows your curvature of your spine even more closely and has different intensities, so it keeps a uniform intensity on your personalized body shape throughout the massage. The Super Novo 2.0 is also equipped with Cloud Touch acupressure. What this does is it has strategically targeted air cells that help in applying pressure to key healing points to provide quick pain relief and recovery. There's also deep body stretch, which helps stretch from your upper back all the way down to your lower legs, and it helps increase the blood flow to help rejuvenate joints and sore aches and pains that can be anywhere along your spine. This unprecedented bend and stretch functionality helps rejuvenate the spine and lower back. The Super Novo 2.0 also has an auto-extending foot and calf massager. This allows you to extend it out to accommodate your height for those that are taller or those that are shorter. It also has underfoot rollers for optimized reflexology, and you have adjustable intensity for the knees, calf, and foot portions of the foot and calf massager. It also has heat in the calf portion to help rejuvenate tired and aching muscles. The Super Novo 2.0 also has dual lumbar heat. It has adjustable targeted heat to help loosen back muscles and relieve pain. Super Novo 2.0 can also take you back to zero gravity. This is where your feet become elevated above your heart and helps to improve circulation by increasing the blood flow back to the heart. This is also the physician's recommended healthiest way to sit. The Super Novo 2.0 also comes with advanced fingertip controls. With these controls, you can do a variety of functions. You can turn on the chair to start your massage. You can push a button and go into one of the pre-programmed massages that are programmed into the chair. You can incline and recline the chair. You can turn on heat. You can change the volume higher, lower. You can also pause the massage chair should you ever need to do so. And when you're done, you can also exit and restore the chair. The Super Novo 2.0 also comes equipped with AcuPoint body sensing. The chair can rapidly detect your shoulder height, and it will map your body's shape to provide a more personalized massage. There is also a manual height option available. The Super Novo 2.0 also has a USB port and wireless charger. So this way you can charge your favorite devices while you're sitting in the chair getting your massage. There's also a battery backup which is provided in case there's ever a power outage to help restore the chair and bring you back to a full upright position. The Super Novo 2.0 is also a wall hugger. This means it only needs a 2-inch clearance from the wall to be able to fully operate without ever touching that wall. The Super Novo 2.0 can also be controlled through the Human Touch app, which is out and available now. You can set a profile setting for all your favorite preferences for when you take a massage. You can set your height setting, your intensity, your underfoot rollers, your heat preferences, your favorite sound soothe, and a bunch of other settings that you can set for your preference so that you don't have to plug them in every single time. Now let's talk about speakers. The Super Novo 2.0 comes equipped with premium sound by JBL. This will give you the greatest sound experience whether you're listening to the Sound Soothe nature sounds in the chair or your Pandora or Spotify preferences.